Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are taking you along a dashcam vlog covering the beautiful and thrilling Ghat route all the way to Gudalur. I'm a big fan of dashcam videos. I love the nature. I love the roadside take. I'm not sure how many of you are like me who like to have a record of the roads that you took, the things that you saw. I love it and I love documenting it this way. While we are driving through this scenic stretch, I'm also sharing our experience at a stunning resort that we stayed at. I've included some important parts, the good, the not so good, and the few tips that'll help you decide if this place is right for you. I've tried adding the clips along with the dashcam vlog. I'm trying it for the first time. Do let me know if any feedback where I can make it better or if I can improvise on it. I'll be more than happy to implement it. And yeah, the name of the resort that'll be revealed at the end, so please make sure that you watch till the last frame. Thank you for being here and enjoy the video. So what I'm showing right now is the entrance to the resort. It's right in the heart of the Ghat section, literally in the middle of it. Now getting here is a bit of an adventure. As soon as you turn off the main road, you are greeted by a steep incline that marks the beginning of the resort's private entry road. And from there, it's about a kilometer stretch of rough terrain, a proper kind of an off-road patch. I was driving a Thar, so I absolutely enjoyed the challenge. But if you are coming in a low clearance vehicle, just a little cautious, the initial stretch might be a bit tricky. Now, the entire area you're seeing here is privately owned by them, which gives them that exclusive and untouched vibe. And what you're seeing right now is the entrance of the reception and the main entrance of the resort. There are two main sections of the room here, which I'll tell you in the end of the video which room should you choose to make sure that you have a good stay. And here is the room. I'm very sure that you guys would like this room. There's a bonfire towards it, right? I think they'll charge you around 300 or 500 for 20 minutes of bonfire if you ask them. And this is the room with the view. So you have a cute little room, a bed and a nice view, some tables. They will set up lunch, dinner, everything as per what you ask for on the table if you want. Or you can even go back and eat at the restaurant. So this is the outside view of our room. One entry is from the main reception side and the other is from this garden side. What you're seeing now is the entry from the garden side. And I have to say the property is exceptionally well maintained. The garden in particular, they're beautifully lush, green and they're thoughtfully landscaped. So now we are heading to the garden area, which you're going to see in a while. So this is the main garden area. This spot is genuinely a highlight of the stay. Whether it is sipping a cup of tea early morning or relaxing in the evening with a good conversation, it just feels so peaceful and refreshing. We actually spend quite a bit of time here just sitting, unwinding and enjoying the calm surrounding. It's a perfect little escape. So this garden actually leads you to the swimming pool. One of the biggest USP of this property is definitely their swimming pool. It's beautifully built, giving you a stunning infinity view with the mountains in the backdrop. On one side, you can even spot a waterfall, and together it's honestly a picture-perfect scene. You could easily spend hours here just soaking in the view and the silence. But also, here's the flip side. The pool unfortunately isn't well maintained. There's no lifeguard and no proper pre-wash facility or signage to guide the people. Most people were directly jumping in, no shower, no hygiene checks, and the water had visibly turned hazy. I didn't feel it clean or safe at all. Despite Though I was hesitant, I decided to try it out the next day, and sadly, I ended up with skin rashes all over. I really wish the management took this more seriously. A few rules and better maintenance could truly turn this pool into a resort standout feature without any downside. So I hope to see next time things may be better. From the resort, like I said earlier, you get a direct view of the Kalhatti Waterfall, and honestly, it looks absolutely stunning. Especially when you're at the pool facing the valley, that waterfall in the distance just completes the whole scene. It's serene and the moment you will want to hold on to. Naturally, I was curious. I tried to find out how to reach the waterfall and explore it up close, but I kept hearing mixed reviews, people saying the roads are in terrible condition or that there were no proper path and you have to walk a long distance through uneven terrain. I couldn't find any proper guidance or reliable information. Hence, I felt it's too much of a risk without a plan. So I decided to skip it this time and enjoy the view from far distance. If any of you watching this have actually made it to the falls, do let me know in the comments how your experience was and if it was worth the effort. By the way, this is the entry of the check post in my previous video, which I spoke about, where there was so much of drama for letting me go in. So if in case you're curious to know what happened, you can go check my earlier video in the Ooty series and you can find it out. Alright, so here is where the restaurant is, the place where we had our breakfast, lunch, dinner throughout the stay. It's a beautifully, it's in the middle of the garden. Honestly, I'm impressed by how well they maintain this entire area. You can just imagine the amount of effort that goes into keeping this place so beautiful. The flowers, the trees everywhere, very well maintained, I would say. Now, this is the entrance, simple and elegant. The whole structure feels like a glass window on all sides, which gives it very open and airy feel. And the best part, it's the views. From the restaurant, you can see the pool and the waterfall. So that's a big plus. While you're dining also, you get a direct view of the pool. It's surrounded by mountains and greeneries all around. It's absolutely peaceful. We actually ended up spending a lot of time here, whether it is tea or coffee or just relaxing. We used to prefer coming down here rather than sitting in our room. I think sitting here and having a hot coffee or going to the garden, it used to hit different, so we always chose that. Now coming to the dinner, this is the dinner for the night. I have to say the food was genuinely amazing. And just a heads up, there aren't any other restaurants or hotels nearby, so your best bet is to eat right here. The prices are quite reasonable, especially for the place like Ooty, not overpriced at all, and the food totally worth it. The paneer dishes which we tried, were absolutely delicious. I loved it. And like I mentioned in my previous vlog, we also tried having lunch in our room with the view from the balcony. That was another vibe altogether. So I want to list out some of the pros and cons of this property, and which will help you make a decision. The pros, starting with, it's a beautiful location. It's nestled literally in the middle of a forest. You have amazing valley views. It's very peaceful, no traffic, no noise. It's an ideal for a quiet detox. and it's completely away from the city. You're totally disconnected from the city. Perfect for those who love those solitude. And the huge pool with the view, yes, that's a big vibe. It's a big plus for the resort. The resort food is simple, tasty, and it's freshly prepared. The staff, they're really nice, they're very friendly, and they try to make their best to make it comfortable. I would always recommend you choosing a weekday, lesser crowd, and you will have peaceful moments. Now, what could have been better? This resort is an extremely isolated place, and the drive to the resort is very risky. And in my previous video, I've told this, the entry restricted and exit rule. There's a lot of arguments around that. There is no nearby restaurants or cafes. You're entirely dependent on the resort for the meals. No activities apart from the pool. The pool cleanliness I've already spoken about, and the room experience. Please always choose value view rooms. The heritage rooms are very small and old, and they may not feel joyful. Overall, this is the property review. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and the name of the property is Mysticville, Kalhatti. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Thank you.